Magandang araw mga kagakusay tachi. Ready na ba uli kayo sa another session natin? And this time, lesson 6 of A1 book 2 na tayo, just a continuation. Okay, so I hope everyone is ready na makinig. Yes, at makapag-participate na rin. You can write down your answers there habang kayo ay nakikinig. Okay? So let's proceed to our first Monday. So you will have picture illustration here at nakikita nyo meron siyang bilog, meaning to say ito ang kailangan mong i-identify. Okay, so first, watashi no kaisha wa nani-nani biru desu. Is it aoi, kuroi, or shiroi? So we're talking about colors here. Okay, so of course, because white is shiroi, aoi is blue, and kuroi is black. So the answer is sambang desu. Sige, kimas. Okay, another illustration. And this one, kapag nakita nyo ang ganitong image, this one means post office sa Japan. Okay, so the problem is, sumimasen, nani-nani wa doko desu ka? Now, titingnan natin kung ano ang proper na spelling ng post office in Japanese. So, basahin nyo minasang. And then you tell me, ano ang sagot here? So des, nibang des, yubinkyoku. Alam nyo ba na importante na masabi mo siya, mapronounce mo siya ng maayos together with its elongated sound or mga double consonants, etc. Why? Because it's imperative for your brain to listen sa voice mo. Kailangan marinig niya yon kasi doon siya mag-rely or magde-depend ng proper spelling. So, every time you hear or you encounter words, so dapat sinasabi mo siya, bino-vocalize mo siya, what I mean, para marinig siya ng tenga mo. And then, mapaprocess siya ng brain mo. So, depende sa spelling. Okay? So, this one is yu, binkyoku. Ang extension niya ay nasa yu, wala sa kyo. So, FYI. So, let's have another one. So, we have here images and you're going to choose migi ni magarimasu. Migi ni magarimasu. So, migi is okay, mig is right. So, turn right. This one is masugu, and this one is turn left or hidari. Okay, so fixed particle natin, si ni for magarimasu. Okay, tsugi, we have watashi, okay, so this one is kanji desu ne. Watashi no kuruma de nani-nani yo ie wa doko desu ka? Saan ang bahay mo? Nagdala ako ng kuruma. So kung nagdala ka ng kuruma and you have de as your tool or transportation tool, so this one is okurimasu. Okay, so nagdala ako ng kuruma sa ng bahay mo. Siguro pupunta sa bahay ng friend niya, hahanapin niyo no kung saan yon. So this one is tsukurimasu and the other one is norimasu. Okay, ja tsugi ikimashou. Soko o hidari ni magate kudasai. So kailangan lang natin malaman kung ano ang kanji ng hidari among the three. Alright, hidari wa nibang desu ne. Hi! So yun lang. Very easy ang ating Monday today. And I do hope may na-pick up kayo dun sa ating review. Okay, salamat sa pakikinig. Bye-bye minasan!